Today we are doing Marshall Cavendish Blue Editing Book for 2 Express, Practice 23, page 23. There are 2 lines which are correct. Please find 8 errors. The first and the last line is correct. Okay, let's take a look at the first line to know what's the genre of the text. At 7:15 p.m., an earthquake measuring 7.8 on the Richter scale hit the northern coast of Sumatra, causing massive destruction to the coastal city of Aceh. So that tells me that this is like a newspaper report, okay, and it happened in the past. So the dominant tense is the simple past tense. All right. When I was reading, I noticed that here causing massive destructive, it should be wrong, it should be destruction, a noun, okay. Indonesian authorities reported that more than 500 people have lost. So have tells me that after that it should be a participle, lost. An estimated 138 people have lost their life. Okay, this is not the plural form of life. With more than 400 people missing, both Singapore and Malaysia has pledged to provide aid to the stricken parts of the coast. I see that both Singapore and Malaysia, the two countries, so that is should be in plural subject, plural verb have. Okay, despite the response by many nations to aid in the disaster, many question how these forms of aid will reach the people who need it. Okay, so here this so is the error this form, okay, or is it these form? Which one is the correct one? Okay, here I see that there are many nations who responded. So in other words, there are many different forms of aid. So this should be these. Whale model, so rich base form. The people need it as the earthquake destroyed many roads. Getting to the site will prove to be difficult. When interviewed, some geologists warn that severely aftershocks. Okay, so this is a noun. So before that, that should be an adjective, not an adverb. Okay, would follow which could increase the death toll. The Singapore Armed Forces has sent a fleet of the Apache helicopters to aid in the evacuation of people who are with Singapore Armed Forces. So is it dia? Okay, should be a singular possessive determiner. Okay, who are stranded, okay, or who need immediate attention. It is in the face of such disasters where we see people rallying together and putting aside differences to achieve a common goal. Alright, now let's start keying in the answers. Okay, so first one, massive, should be a noun, destruction. That's for destruction. Destruction. Okay. Not very clear, so I'll put it up here. This one, destruction. Okay. And the explanation is that there is a verb causing. There's a verb causing here. So it will be causing destruction. Okay, more than 500 people have lost. Okay, participant form. Next, an estimated 138 people lost their lives. I mean, even adults make this mistake, huh? Both Singapore and Malaysia have pledged, so it should be plural form. Okay, many question how these form of A will reach. Look at the model here. As the earthquake destroyed many roads, getting to the site proved to be difficult. When interviewed, some geologists warned that severely aftershock, so it should be an adjective. Sorry, severely is the adverb, so correct one should be severe, which is an adjective. Alright, like it is correct. This one is their change to its, because the Singapore Armed Forces is a collective noun. Alright, stranded or need medical attention is the face of disaster. Okay, so that line seems correct. Okay, so I'm going to give it a How many did you get it right? We are at practice 23. Have you been practicing daily? If you have, I'm sure that your editing has improved leaps and bounds. Don't give up, continue doing, and I'll continue uploading the content.